Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tenysiah for those of you who are new here, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. This hair tutorial is going to be my version of how I do Marley Twists. I put one out like maybe about a year ago, and I find this is an updated version. The one I had originally put out was like my first time doing it, so I didn't have that much experience with it. Right now, like, this is like a look like that I really love. If you haven't noticed on my channel, you've probably seen me with Marley Twists like in numerous videos. So I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use, and we're going to just get into this video. I have like a clip that's just to put hair back. I have a few of them actually, but you only need like one or two. And then I have two different size comb. So I have a big old pick here, and I kind of like a pick more than the wide tooth comb. And I also have a tail comb, which is obviously for making hearts and whatnot. The hair that I'm going to be using is Expressions hair. The color I'm using is 2T1B/33. The packs come like this. There's two columns of hair in each pack, so I use about 3 packs to do my hair. I don't like my hair to be too heavy. I don't care if it looks super full, like I'm not here for that. Like at nighttime when I want to sleep, like I want to be able to put my head down and not feel like there's like a weight of like something just sitting on top of my head, like all in the hair. When it's out of the package, this is already a package juice, so usually it's like double the amount of this would be one, and then there's 2 of them in there, so it's a good amount of hair. I like it because it's already stretched out, so I don't have to be doing none of that. I can just take it out of the package and just start using it right away. This one, and it's eco style, but it's black castor oil and flaxseed oil. It's a beeswax. It's perfect for locks, conditioning in your hair, for braids, for twists. So this, I always use this. And you guys should know this already. My Xoxo Indian hemp, I just love it. Like it makes my hair doesn't itch or nothing. And even when I take out my braids, like or my twists, like you can still feel the moisture within my hair. So I love this stuff. I live by this stuff. And this, you guys see me use it a lot. Nut and shea oil, it's a moisturizing cream. This stuff is just like to help me comb through it, like so it's just so I'm not doing too much manipulation and hurting or damaging my hair while I'm trying to part to make these twists. Some herbal essence mousse, can be whatever kind of cheap mousse. I don't think it's like necessary to go get like some crazy mousse. It's just to put on your braids. So this is just another protective layer after when I'm finished that I put that helps kind of lock the twists in place so that there's not really lock them, but to like avoid having those little flyaways that you know come after a while. So I'm going to show you guys. This is basically what I have left to do. I would say that this is like maybe, I don't know, 2 hours or so of hair to be done. So I'm just gonna make a line going through, and I take my time and kind of separate the hair. I don't want to be pulling hard on my hair. Like I really want to start taking better care of how I treat my hair. I take a nice good amount and I drop that into my scalp. I make that part into this one here. Take a good old amount too, and I kind of just put it lightly through, because don't worry, we're going to comb this through, like this section will get combed. Body, I'm going to take a little pump, about that much, square there, tie this up, and hook it in that corner. Okay, now what I do is I pass the thin comb very slowly through, just to get some kinks out. And guys, there's like zero tugging going on. Like you see what I mean? Like my hair is in a healthy state. I'm just loving this, like, and it's nicely oiled, and I can feel it through each and every strand. Like, look at that shine. It's gorgeous.
Quick twist. And this is my new method, and I love this method, especially, guys, when it comes to the edges, because the other way I was doing it, it causes
of hair, let's say about this much of hair. And guys, I'm just going to zoom in for you guys. Zoomed in. This is my strand. My hair. You kind of want this hand to wrap around it, and you are going to make a braid. After you go down a bit, you are going to attach this to one of them, and you are just going to twist. I'm doing this because I think I've showed you guys a few times. Just keep looking. I want to speed up this video because it's pretty much just doing the same thing over and over again. In reality, right now in my head, I got like a pack and a quarter. A pack and a quarter in my head. And like that, guys, like, I'm not trying, I told you, I don't do the over heavy. I can't take it. Like, my head can't support all of that shit. I got 2 cups like this. It's hot, it's steaming. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. And just have the towel ready as you take the hair out, so it just falls on the towel. Take all kinds of moves. Bam. And I don't think I want to put a lot. I think I'm going to put like maybe 5. So they're very easy to use. They have a part that kind of opens. It's like aluminum. Like, it's so not that serious. And I just randomly put them in. I try to wrap it around in a way that it's like tight so they don't slide through, because after a while they just slide and slip off. Like if you have 20 in there, by the time you're ready to take out your braids, like you probably have like 10. I'm telling you, half of them always come out. I don't know why. I don't know why they be hating like that. But it always happens. I'll put them in little randomish pieces. I love, it is a mood when I have my hair like this. It's a mood, guys. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys like how this look turned out. I hope you like my new method of doing it with actually twisting my hair first and then going in with the braids. And yeah guys, just comment, give me the thumbs up, let me know what's up, if you liked it, if you didn't, and I'll see you guys in my next video.